welcome back to the channel. This is friend Shinobi and today we are doing a review of the boAt Airdopes 141. These are a pair of affordable TWS true wireless earphones from the house of boAt, and yeah, these have been quite popular in recent times, so I bought it to test them out if they are totally worth it or not, and in today's video we're going to check exactly that. So if you're interested in this particular topic, then make sure to stick till the end. With that said, let's get started with the review. Now, as you can see that I have got a different color. These mostly are like available in a black color and a blue color, but I got this cyan color. So the outside of this case is gray, as you can see, and inside you will see this cyan color, and it looks really cool. So I got this particular color, and the overall look and feel of this particular earbud is quite nice. The case is quite sturdy and it has a Type-C port at the bottom for charging, and there are some LED lights at the front. Like here you can see around 4 of them, so they indicate the battery life. So right now there is around 75% battery left in this case, and yeah, there's nothing much else about this case. It looks pretty cool. The lid is quite snappy. It snaps around pretty well, but yeah, it can get a little loose. So yeah, it's not the sturdiest thing, but for the price that you're getting it for about 1200 rupees, it's quite nice. Now, the earbuds themselves are quite sleek, and they are also in gray with the ear tips being in the cyan color, and yeah, they look quite sleek and sturdy, and yeah, they are entirely made out of plastic obviously, but yeah, they look really nice. They don't have any kind of sensors or anything on them. The stems do have touch sensors for the gestures, and yeah, you can use them to play or pause your music, skip to the next track, trigger Google Assistant or Siri, and turn on like beast mode. So yes, the beast mode lowers the latency a bit so that you can enjoy your games while wearing the TWS. But yeah, it's not the greatest thing, and these earbuds are quite comfy. They fit snugly in my ear, and I have like 2 different sizes for both my ears. My left ear is a little like larger than the right one, and yeah, the medium ear tips are being used in here, and they feel quite comfortable. They fit really snugly in my ear. The seal is quite tight, so it blocks off most of the noises, and when I start playing music, like almost everything is drowned out. So that's pretty cool. So this is how they look in my ear, and yeah, they look quite good, this particular color, and they fit really well. Even if I shake my head a lot, they won't really fall off, so that's a pretty good thing. Now, boAt claims about 45 hours of total battery life from this case. I wasn't really able to like test it. It came with 100% charge. I used them for about 4 days, and they are now at 75% charge, so I guess it will last you more than a week with a single charge, and that's a pretty good thing. And they also charge pretty quickly with the Type-C port, and in about an hour or so they completely get charged, and then you can use it for more than a week. So that's quite a good thing. So if you are like concerned about battery life on your TWS, you can get these. The earbuds give you about 6 to 8 hours of playback, and the case can give you around 3 or 4 times more. So yeah, battery life is not an issue on the boAt Airdopes 141. And yeah, overall I would say the build quality, design, and the battery life is quite good up until now. And when we talk about the call quality through the mics, here the boAt like Airdopes 141 falls apart a little bit. The mics are not that good. The other party is not really able to hear my voice very clearly when I'm using this, especially in crowded areas. Inside it's still like doable, but yeah, the mics could have been better. Hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is the audio from the mics of the boAt Airdopes 141. Right now there is no fan or anything turned on. I'm in my room, and yeah, this is how the mics sound on the boAt Airdopes 141. Now let's talk about the audio quality of the boAt Airdopes 141. So these have the signature boAt sound stage, which is like quite low and heavy. So there is a ton of bass in it, and yeah, that bass does like skip into most of the other tracks or other parts of the tracks, like in the highs and the mids, and yeah, that really like muddles up the audio a bit. The lyrics are not that clear because the bass is just thumping a lot. And yeah, if you love bass, you would surely love these earbuds. but yeah, for me this is not the best sound stage or the best sound like listening experience, because these are too much bass heavy and they like bloat everything. It feels like you are in a concert and the bass is just thumping from the big ass speakers. Yeah, overall I would say the sound stage is fine for most people, I guess, because most people love like bass heavy sound. So yeah, but it's not for people like me who like a little bit balanced audio output. So yeah, overall I would say these are a good pair of earbuds for about like 1200 and 1300 rupees, because they have pretty good battery life and the build quality is also nice. They look good and the audio quality is acceptable. And like if you take a lot of calls, I wouldn't really recommend these, but otherwise you can surely get it. I'll leave the affiliate link down in the description for Amazon from where I bought it. You can just visit there and purchase it if you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it about my thoughts for the boAt Airdopes 141. So if you end up liking this video, then do hit that thumbs up button and definitely subscribe to the channel. The subscribe button is apparently white now, so yeah, just subscribe and it will turn to gray or black, I believe. And yeah, hit the notification bell to stay notified about my new uploads. So with that said, I'm your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out. Peace.